How's it going, everyone? This is Wenbo. Welcome to my Blender 3.1 Master Modeling class in Cosmetics. This is going to be an intermediate course for 3D product modeling. If you are product photographers or designers who want to learn more advanced 3D modeling skills, this is the right course that you picked. Congratulations and a huge welcome you here. Before we dive deep into the Blender, we just want to quickly talk about the hardwares and the software that you need to prepare for this course. And to start with, we need to have a 3-button mouth. This is a pretty typical mouth, and you making sure you have the rolling wheels in the middle button. The next thing, if you have a mouth that you can have multiple buttons on the side, and then you can even program all these buttons. This is even highly recommended, and we can using these inside Blender when we're doing modeling, so we can quickly change the viewport angles. That's going to be extremely helpful. But if you don't have it, that's still okay, but it's highly preferred. The full keyboard is preferred. So especially on this side, we're gonna use some button to changing the viewport angles and also some shortcut keys we're going to use on the number pad. So without this full keyboard, you wouldn't be able to access all these when you are only using your laptop keyboard, which is a little shorter version. And I would recommend you to purchase anything like very cheap full keyboard on the side and just kind of hook on your laptop in order to access all these keys for your laptop or PC. Well, the PC operation is more preferred. I'm sorry to the Mac users. I know there are some new Mac products coming out this month. The GPU looks very powerful, but for current practice and a lot of shortcut key we're going to use is going to be based on PC. So PC is preferred. Well, the next thing is we can find all these hardware requirements specifically for how your PC was built or laptops, and you can find all this information in the Blender official website, and there will be constantly updatings when they are releasing new version of Blenders, and then you can find all these informations. As long as you're meeting the minimum requirements for the hardwares, you should be good for Blender. The last thing that you need making sure download the Blender software, which is 100% free. You just go to the blender.org/download and making sure you're looking for the stable version, which is right now is 3.1 when recording this course. And this is pretty much everything I want to share in this video, and I will see you inside Blender.